did not come well prepared. Few positive strokes by the captain.
And then the reverse, the pace of the pitch. Couple of big hits, he's got power and he hit it down the ground very well. But that was just a flash because then the little ramp.
Wickets. That was a big wicket of Cameron Green, who was looking good. Bartlett, like the other evening, did manage to hit big ones before he was hauled out.
And as always, very comfortable under the long balls on the boundary. And then the final wicket, the googly edged away Salman Ali Agha with the catch, and Pakistan sealing the victory.